Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Bondi Snapshot, and congratulations to everybody who crossed that finish line at City to Surf. Go Team PPD. We managed to get there in the end. There was a few stragglers, but what a fantastic day. I think it was a great event as always, and Bondi just shines when it comes to City to Surf. It's almost like the start of spring, and look what's happening to the spring selling season, even though we haven't quite reached it yet. Certainly had some fantastic results in the last few days. One of the big major events though for PPD was actually we have been voted the best new office in Australia by the Real Estate Business Awards. Fantastic congratulations to the team. It's been a wonderful achievement and I'm very proud to be part of them. Already our spring selling season is shaping up to be a cracker, with some early sales indicating great results. A 2-bedroom garden apartment on Warners Avenue sold for a whopping $1.6 million. It did have a lock-up garage, but wow, that was about $200,000 to $300,000 more than we expected it to sell for. We've had a couple of semi-sales in North Bondi. Knowles Avenue, which was an unrenovated 4-bedroom semi, sold for $1.95. Also a 4-bed 2-bath, a little bit more renovated in Gould Street, sold for just over $2.1 million. That price was confidential. One of the most recent actually though, which was a 3-bedroom 2-bathroom semi, no parking, single level, but beautifully done. And that sold in Watson Street. Now Watson Street is quite a busy street. They only bought it a couple of years ago, did a nice little reno on it, but that just sold for $2.12 million for a semi with no parking. Also, Sean had a great strong sale on Bondi Road, a 2-bedroom apartment, $1.17 million. Now this is interesting because some data's just come out and it's pointing to the fact that the average apartment, the median apartment price in Sydney is now $1 million and over. Absolutely incredible, just about the whole of Sydney. Who would have thought it? I mean, only a few years ago, apartments were $500,000 and now we're talking about $1 million entry point for apartments. Looking amazing. When will it all stop? That is a good question. Of course, the Reserve has held the rates on hold again, with indications that it might be their last on hold, although look, we just don't know. So what does that mean for the real estate market? It doesn't seem to show any signs of slowing down, and it looks like the period up till Christmas is going to be quite strong. And we also have got the banks just pulling back a little bit on investment borrowing. They have upped the investment borrowing rates. Having said that, if you look at it, to put money in the bank, you're still only getting 2% on a fixed term deposit. The investment loans rates have only gone up by 0.3, so they're still in a better position by putting their money in bricks and mortar. So I don't know if it's really going to pull back enough of that demand from the investors, which is pushing as well with the first and current home buyers. We still feel it's going to continue quite strong, and there are some people talking about it continuing into next year. It will be very interesting to see what happens, and we're certainly going to keep you posted as this selling season progresses. For now, congratulations to Phillips Panzer Donnelly on achieving the fantastic Best New Office in Australia award from Real Estate Business, and also, of course, for crossing that finish line at the City to Surf. Congratulations, of course, to everybody else, and look forward to speaking to you next time. Thank you.